The lighthouse looks beautiful. I think Grandpa was here.
We're getting closer.
Do you know this man?
Henry? You knew my father?
Mom! The clock stopped.
It's very old, Liam.
No, Grandpa said it would never stop.
We all miss Grandpa.
I still feel he is here. I miss his stories every night.
Liam, one day this clock will help you.
How can a clock help me?
You will know when the time is right.
Who made that sound? Grandpa, are you here? A little key. Grandpa hid this. What does it open? A secret lock. Grandpa wanted someone to find this. The key fits here. Grandpa, what is inside? I have to see. This letter is very old. Grandpa wrote these words. Dad must read this. Dad, look what I found!
Where did you find it?
Inside Grandpa's clock.
Let's open it together.
If you read this, please do not sell the old lake house.
Lake house? We never had one.
Then whose lake house is Grandpa talking about? Maybe this is only the first clue. Dad, look here.
I didn't see that.
There are little red circles.
Maybe they are clues. There are more words.
I never saw this before.
Start where we watch the sunrise.
What place is Grandpa talking about?
Wait, I remember this place.
You know it?
Grandpa took me there once.
Then we should go. Are we ready?
Let's go!
Yes! We have to finish Grandpa's secret. This place feels strange.
Grandpa brought me here many years ago.
Maybe the next clue is inside.
Let's find it together.
Nobody has been here for years.
It still feels alive.
Stay close to us.
Grace saved your life?
Who was Grace?
We have to find her. Dad, who is this girl?
I don't know.
Grandpa never told us. Grace saved your life?
Who was Grace?
We have to find her. Another lock?
Grandpa planned all of this.
Do we still have the little key? I think we are getting closer. It doesn't fit.
Maybe this is not the right key.
No. Grandpa wanted us to keep looking. Look! There is a bird. This is another clue. Grandpa left signs everywhere.
Grandpa had a wooden bird. Where is it now?
Where is it now?
Maybe it's still here.
Wait! I found something!
What is it?
Come here, quickly! It's the same bird!
Grandpa wanted us to find this.
But what secret is inside the bird? It opened! There is something inside.
Grandpa was hiding another clue. Follow the red bridge before sunset.
There is a red bridge? Then we must go now!
The sun is going down.
We don't have much time.
We can still make it.
This must be Grandpa's bridge.
Now let's find the next clue.
Look! Another message!
Grandpa planned every step.
The first star.
The journey is not over yet. Look! The star is over that.
Over that hill.
There is a lighthouse.
Maybe Grandpa wanted us to go there. The lighthouse looks beautiful. I think Grandpa was here.
We're getting closer.
Do you know this man?
Henry? You knew my father?
Henry was my best friend.
Really?
He came here many years ago. Henry asked me to keep this safe.
Is this Grandpa's last clue?
No, this will lead you to the biggest secret of all.
There is another key.
Grandpa planned everything. Read the letter, Liam.
Grace saved Grandpa's life.
He never told us?
He wanted to protect her.
Grandpa had one last wish.
We will finish it.
We promise.
Grace lived here.
Then that's our next stop.
Let's go now! Grandpa, we are coming.
We'll keep our promise.
Our journey isn't over yet.
This must be Grace's home.
Let's hope she is still here.
Come on! Where did you get that letter?
It belonged to my Grandpa Henry.
Henry. I waited so many years.
Grandpa never forgot you.
Neither did I. Henry fell into the lake during a storm.
You really saved him.
He became like family after that. Henry asked me to keep this safe.
It has my name.
Grandpa left one last message.
Grandpa wrote this just for me. Take your time, Liam. I'm ready. I want to hear what he said. Grandpa said, never forget the people who help you. He said kindness can live for many years.
Those were Grandpa's words?
He always believed that. Your grandpa wanted you to learn something.
What did he want me to learn?
When someone helps you, help someone else.
I can do that. Grandpa helped Grace. Grace helped Grandpa. Now I will help someone too.
That's exactly what Grandpa wanted.
Henry loved this place.
Now I understand why.
Some memories never disappear.
Thank you for saving Grandpa.
And thank you for finding me.
We won't forget you.
Are you happy we found Grace?
Yes. I think Grandpa wanted us to find more than a secret.
What did we find?
Family and kindness. We're home, Grandpa.
I think he would be happy.
I think so too. Mom, look!
The clock is moving again.
It stopped for a reason.
And now it knows we're back. There is one more thing. Another secret? No, it's a message. The greatest treasure is the love you leave behind.
That was Grandpa.
He left us something very special.
His love. Grandpa is not here, and now it lives in you.
Let's keep it going.
The greatest treasure is not something we find,
But the love we pass on.